Imagine a bustling city, its energy pulsating through the air, the very air that powers it. Picture a world where the invisible currents around us are harnessed to light up our homes, power our devices, and drive our industries. Welcome to the exciting frontier of energy harvesting from the air. This isn't a concept from a science fiction novel, it's a field of study and innovation that's happening right now. Energy harvesting is the process of capturing and utilizing energy from renewable sources. The sun and wind have long been harnessed for their power. But now scientists and engineers are exploring a new frontier, the air around us. Just think about it. The air is filled with electrical charges produced by natural phenomena like lightning and wind. And these charges, if properly captured and stored, could provide a sustainable, renewable source of power. This is the principle behind energy harvesting from the air. It's about tapping into the vast untapped potential of our atmosphere. But how does it work, you might ask? Well, it's all about the science of electrostatic induction and triboelectrification. Electrostatic induction is the process by which a charged object can induce a charge in a nearby object without touching it. On the other hand, triboelectrification is the generation of electricity through the contact and separation of two materials. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. Efficiency and scalability are two big ones. But the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. The promise of a cleaner, more sustainable source of power is tantalizing. This isn't just a vision of the future. It's a reality that's within our grasp. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, we're bringing this future closer day by day. So let's embark on this journey together as we explore the power that's all around us, waiting to be harnessed. But what is this magic that pulls power from the thin air? It's not magic, it's science. To be precise, it's the science of electrostatic induction and triboelectrification. Let's break it down. First, electrostatic induction. This is a method of using an electric field to convert energy from one form to another. Imagine a lightning bolt. It's an enormous amount of energy, right? Well, electrostatic induction is all about harnessing that energy. The principle is simple enough. An electric field is created, and the energy from that field is transformed into a form that we can use, like electricity. Now you may be wondering, how can we create that electric field? That's where triboelectrification comes in. This is the science of creating an electric charge through friction. Think about the static electricity that builds up when you rub a balloon against your hair. That's triboelectrification in action. In the context of energy harvesting, imagine tiny particles in the air rubbing against a specially designed material. This friction creates an electric charge, which can then be harvested and transformed into usable energy. Sounds promising, right? But as with any technological advancement, there are challenges. The efficiency of these methods, for instance, is still a work in progress. We're not yet at a point where we can power an entire city with energy harvested from the air. And then there's the question of scalability. Can we produce these energy harvesting devices on a large enough scale to make a real difference? Despite these challenges, the potential is enormous. By harnessing the invisible forces around us, we have the potential to revolutionize our energy systems. Energy from the sky, from the air we breathe, could be the next frontier in sustainable power. Harnessing the invisible forces around us, we have the potential to revolutionize our energy systems. This isn't just a concept. Groundbreaking strides are being made in this field every day. In the pursuit of harnessing energy from the air, researchers and innovators have made significant advancements, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was possible. The field of energy harvesting is a hotbed of innovation, where the brightest minds are relentlessly exploring new materials and devices to capture energy more effectively. One of the trailblazers in this field is the aerospace and defense technology company, Northrop Grumman. They have been instrumental in developing state-of-the-art energy harvesting technologies that can pull electricity right out of the air. Their relentless dedication to innovation has brought us closer to a future where we can tap into the vast, untapped reservoir of energy that surrounds us. Not far behind is the University of Massachusetts Amherst, where a team of dedicated researchers is making significant strides in this field. They are exploring new and efficient ways to capture and utilize ambient energy, driving us forward on the path of sustainable energy generation. These breakthroughs are not just about creating new technologies. They are about fundamentally changing how we understand and interact with the world around us. It's about looking at a gust of wind, a bolt of lightning, or even the static charge from a balloon, and seeing not just natural phenomena, but potential sources of clean, renewable energy. And it's not just about powering our homes and cities. Imagine a world where your smartphone never runs out of battery, where remote sensors can function indefinitely without the need for replacement batteries. This is the kind of future that energy harvesting technology can enable. With every discovery, we're one step closer to a sustainable, energy-efficient future. Where can we see this technology in action? The possibilities are limitless. Energy harvesting technology is not just a concept confined to the realms of scientific papers and laboratories. It's already here, making its mark in real-world applications. Imagine a world where the battery life of your phone or laptop is no longer a concern. With energy harvesting technology, devices can pull electricity directly from the air, making them self-sustaining. These aren't just gadgets we're talking about. Medical sensors, wearable electronics, and even remote weather stations can all benefit from this technology. But the potential applications extend far beyond personal electronics. Think of the impact on our infrastructure. Streetlights, traffic signals, and other essential city services could operate independently of the grid, drawing power directly from the environment. This would not only reduce our dependence on traditional power sources, but also increase the resilience of our cities in the face of power outages. Now let's discuss the bigger picture: sustainability. The world is in a race against time to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and slow the pace of global warming. Energy harvesting technology could play a crucial role in this effort. By capturing and utilizing energy that would otherwise be wasted, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. This is not a mere alternative. It's a revolutionary approach, a new way of thinking about energy. It's about understanding and harnessing the power that surrounds us every day, from the static electricity in the air to the kinetic energy in our movements. Every bit counts. So, what does the future hold for energy harvesting technology? It's hard to say exactly, but one thing is clear: the potential is enormous. As research continues and the technology matures, it could fundamentally reshape our relationship with energy. From powering our devices to our cities, energy harvesting technology is paving the way for a cleaner tomorrow. The possibilities are not just limitless, but also exciting. The future of energy is not in burning what we have, but in harvesting what we're given. And that future is looking brighter every day. The promise of energy harvesting technology isn't just about powering our world. It's about creating a sustainable future for all. It's about creating a sustainable future for all. This technology possesses the transformative potential to revolutionize how we generate and consume energy. It opens up a world of possibilities where we no longer rely solely on finite resources. Instead, we tap into the infinite power around us: the sun, the wind, and even the air we breathe. Imagine a future where our cities are powered not by coal or gas, but by the very air that surrounds them. A world where our devices, from smartphones to pacemakers, draw their energy from the atmosphere. This isn't just a dream, it's a real possibility. Energy harvesting technology not only promises to reshape our energy landscape, but also offers us a path towards sustainability. It empowers us to reduce our carbon footprint and move towards a cleaner, greener future. This is the promise of energy harvesting. Join us on this journey to a sustainable future. Together, we can harness the power of the air to light up our world.